Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at another case that is finally updated with camera control. Now, I definitely have my thoughts on this case. I'll leave my full review to it at the end of this video, but they did add a camera control button and I have to give them the credit. It works really, really well. And today we are taking a look at the MagBak Elite with that camera control button for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, huge shout out to MagBak for sending this over to me to review for you guys. All links are down in the description below for you to check it out for yourself. So, just taking a look, there's really nothing different between the original version and the new version. Let's go ahead and actually bring over our scale. We'll just weigh the difference here real quick between them two. So, starting off the version without camera control, we're looking at 48 grams, and the version with camera control, we're looking at 50 grams. So it's going to add 2 grams of weight to the case itself. So not too big of a deal. Now, also another issue that they did fix, just real quick, is here on the back of the case. The original one with no camera control, this finger loop used to come out and it would actually pull out of there. Well, with the new one, they did fix that. So if you have that issue where it would pop out while your phone was in there, that's not going to happen anymore. So let's go ahead and take our natural titanium 16 Pro Max. We'll put it in here and let's see how that button works. Now, there is our click onto here. We'll put that little finger thing back in there, the finger pillow, all that fun stuff. So let's take a look at how the camera control button works. So I did just open it up. Of course, there's our double click. Everything works just fine right there. And let's go ahead and see. So as you guys can see, this is a pretty responsive camera control button right here. So just going back and forth right there, just like this. Go ahead and zoom all the way in if we want to. Zoom out. There we go. Take our usual picture here. I don't know why my camera's a little blurry, but take our usual picture. That works just fine right there. And yeah, guys, MagBak actually did a really good job when it comes to this camera control button. So usual test, let's just take our finger, lightly graze it. Go ahead, back, forth, just barely trying to graze it. Sometimes my finger does miss it. I'm doing it from behind the camera, but there we go. So I would say this camera control button is about 95% of the way as sensitive as something like Bank's or Spigen, Apple's cases. It's almost there. It is very good still. I could easily use this camera control button as an everyday camera control button, even though I'll be honest with you guys, I really don't use the camera control button except for testing these cases for you guys. But yeah, all in all, it's a great camera control button. That is one thing I actually really like about this new case, is that the camera control button, they really knocked it out of the park. So I can say that if that's something that you're looking for, if you are a fan of the MagBak Elite case and you really want the camera control button, I would say definitely go ahead and check this one out. To me, this case still isn't for me, especially for the price of it. I think it's still very, very expensive, and I would love to see this case drop down to that, $40, $50 price range as opposed to like 80, 90 bucks, because I don't think that this case is in that same territory, but I'll leave that for my full review. That, like I said, is at the end of this video. But all around, they did do a great job with this camera control button. I'm happy with it, and I think you guys will really enjoy it if this is a case for you. But let me know what you guys think about the MagBak Elite and about the camera control button down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos and these quick little update videos as well for you. And if you guys want to see my full review of the MagBak Elite for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys want to see another excellent camera control case that does a great job just all around with the entire case, I'll leave that video right here.